So we are asked to factorize this quadratic expression using completing the square method. So we have that 3x squared minus 3x minus 36. So the first thing we do here is to factor out 3. So this becomes 3, open your bracket, x squared minus x minus 12, and then we close a bracket. So at this point, the next thing we do is that we have to multiply the coefficient of the middle term with 1 divided by 2 and square the result. And this is our middle term, and the coefficient here is -1. So multiply it by 1 divided by 2. This is equal to -1 divided by 2. And we are asked to square the result. And this is equal to 1 divided by 4. The next thing we do again is that we are going to add and subtract 1 divided by 4 from the equation. So this we have is 3, open your bracket, x squared minus x plus 1 divided by 4 minus 12 minus 1 divided by 4. So it is good to know that the first 3 term is a perfect square. Thus, this becomes 3, open your bracket, we have x squared minus x plus 1 divided by 4 minus 12 minus 1 divided by 4. Now, if we factorize this, this becomes 3, open your bracket, x minus 1 divided by 2, all squared. So at this point, we can take LCM here. This becomes 49 divided by 4. So therefore, this becomes 3, open your bracket, x minus 1 divided by 2, all squared, minus 7 divided by 2, all squared. Now at this time, we have a difference of 2 squared. And recall that for difference of 2 squared, if I have a squared minus b squared, this can be expressed as a plus b multiplied by a minus b. So at this point, this becomes, this is 3, open up a bracket, x minus 1 divided by 2 plus 7 divided by 2 multiply by x minus 1 divided by 2 minus 7 divided by 2. So therefore, this can further be simplified as x plus 6 divided by 2 multiplied by x minus 8 divided by 2. So therefore, we have that this is 3, open your bracket, x plus 6 divided by 2 is 3, multiplied by x minus 8 divided by 2 is 4. So therefore, we have been able to factorize the quadratic expression given to us using the completing the square method. Thank you so much for watching. And if you know you found the video helpful, please encourage us by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Thank you, and I will see you in my next video.